Hello all, hope all of you are doing great. And in this particular playlist of my YouTube channel, I am going to talk about a new syllabus which has been proposed by Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education for graduates, for degree. See, under this new syllabus which is proposed by Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education, under CBCS frame pattern. Okay, this new syllabus is common for all BA, BSc, BCom, BBA and BCS students. Under this new syllabus we have got 5 units. First unit is all about listening skills, second is about speaking skills, third is about grammar, fourth unit is about writing skills, and fifth unit is about soft skills. Let us first just see what and all are the topics imbibed under grammar, under third unit of grammar. First topic is Concord. We'll be discussing about models, then tenses, articles, prepositions, question tags, voice, speech, degrees of comparison and error correction. So these are all the topics which come under unit 3 of grammar of new syllabus. Now let us just see what we'll be discussing in the unit 1 of listening skills. Under listening skills, we'll be discussing about importance of listening, about types of listening, about barriers to listening, about strategies. So these are the 4 core topics we'll be discussing about unit 1 of listening skills. Initially we'll start the unit with knowing the importance of listening skills, importance of developing listening skills in order to promote good communication, types of listening skills and some barriers to listening and strategies, tips to develop your listening skills. So these are the 4 core topics we'll be discussing under first unit of listening skills. Let us just move on to the unit 2, speaking skills. Under speaking skills, we'll be discussing about basics of phonetics. Both vowel and consonant sounds, and we'll be discussing about we'll be discussing about basics of phonetics and vowels, both vowel sounds and consonant sounds here. See, speaking skills, under this unit we'll be discussing about the very basics of phonetics. We'll be discussing about vowel sounds and consonant sounds in detail, and we'll concentrate on word accent and intonation too. So these are the things. So under unit 2 speaking skills, we'll be discussing about basics of phonetics, both vowels and consonant sounds. Both we can bifurcate, we can divide basic phonetic sounds into vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Under this unit we'll be discussing about vowel sounds and consonant sounds both. Then we'll discuss about word accent, then we'll discuss about intonation also. So these are the topics we'll discuss under unit 2 speaking skills. And unit 3 grammar, we've already seen about Concord, about tenses, about models. So we've already seen the topics which will be covered under unit 3 grammar. Now let us just move on to unit 4 writing skills. Under writing skills, we'll be knowing about punctuation rules, about few rules of spelling, and about under writing skills we'll be just knowing about basically initially in unit 4 we'll be knowing about punctuation, we'll be knowing about the basic rules, and we'll be knowing about few rules of spelling, and majorly we'll discuss about paragraph and its structure, types also. So the major part of unit 4 writing skills comprise of comprises of paragraph, its structure and types, and we'll also discuss about spelling and punctuation rules also. So completely under unit 4 writing skills, we'll be discussing about punctuation rules, about few rules of spelling, about major part of writing skills will be about paragraph and its structure and types of paragraphs also. Let us just move on to the last unit under the new syllabus. It is about soft skills. See, soft skills nowadays have got a lot of importance, Soft skills plays a major role in today's corporate world. Under this particular soft skills unit, we'll be discussing about attitude. We'll be discussing about emotional intelligence. We'll be discussing about SWOT or SWOC analysis. We'll be discussing about telephone etiquette. And social media also. So these are the things we'll be covering under unit 5 of soft skills. We'll concentrate on attitude, majorly on positive attitude, how positive attitude helps us and aids us in moving forward, about emotional intelligence, which is important, SWOT or SWOC analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity and challenges. We'll be discussing about SWOT or SWOC analysis. We'll be discussing about etiquettes we have to follow when we are on telephone, and few aspects of social media also. So these are the topics we'll be covering under unit 5 of soft skills. So in all, we have all 5 units. We have discussed about the topics which are involved in all these 5 units also. So keep in touch with this particular playlist of my YouTube channel. I'll be covering each and every topic of all 5 units of your new syllabus. And this new syllabus will come into effect from 2020 to 2021 of CBCS frame pattern. Okay, so this is your new syllabus. Hope all of you have understood about new syllabus which has been proposed by Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education, and it is proposed all the universities to follow the same syllabus. This is the syllabus. Hope all of you have understood. In my next video, I'm going to start talking about listening skills, unit 1 of listening skills, and I'll be starting my talk about importance of listening skills in communication. In my next YouTube video of this playlist, I'm going to talk about listening skills. We'll be starting with unit 1 of listening skills. We'll start talking about importance of listening skills in communication, why developing listening skills is important in order to become a good communicator. So people, those who are new to graduation, can follow this particular playlist of my YouTube channel. We'll be discussing about the new syllabus proposed by Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education, which is common for all universities, common for all the groups like BA, BSc, BCom, BBA and BCA. Hope all of you have understood this video and try to be in contact with this particular playlist of my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Have a good day. Bye.